Welcome. In this video, we'll see how we can create a hotspot on a Ruckus Unleashed device and connect it to an external captive portal. First, we'll go to Services, Authentication Service, and we'll add our Radius server. We'll enter a name for it, and in type, we'll select Radius. In server address, we'll enter the IP address of our server and its shared secret. Next, we'll go to Services, Wireless Hotspot, and create a new hotspot. We'll enter a name for it. In the login page, we need to enter the URL of our external captive portal. To create an external captive portal, you can use this bit of code. This is for Coova Chilli, which is an open source Linux-based captive portal package, which Ruckus Unleashed uses. To make it easy for anyone to spin up a captive portal, our team has created a web application which makes it very simple to create a portal. So here, first we'll create a portal template. You can enter your logo and the fields that you want, like first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And there are several other options like two-factor authentication using OTPs and surveys, but we won't go into the details here. Next, we'll go to portals and we'll create a new portal. In hardware type, we'll select Ruckus Unleashed. This app supports many different vendors. Then we'll create a site ID for it, based on which the address of the guest portal will be created, and we'll reference the template that we created earlier. Now we'll copy this address and we can enter it into the Ruckus hotspot settings. After the user is authenticated, we can redirect them to a website like google.com. On the next page, we'll just continue. And in walled garden, we will enter the IP address of our external portal server. In fact, we missed a step in the last section. We will go back and in authentication servers, we'll select this Radius server that we had created earlier. In policy, we don't need to enter anything, so we'll just click on add, and this will save the hotspot settings. Next, we'll create a new wireless network. We'll enter a name for it, and usage type will be hotspot service. It's using the hotspot profile that we had created earlier. We'll click on next, and then we will click on add. The wireless network is now created. Now, when a user connects to this network, they will see this captive portal that we had just created. They'll enter their data, the first name, last name, email, and telephone number, and then they will be connected. The site admin can go to the Customers tab to see the data entered by the user. That's it for now. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.